Right, it's a brand new community getting ready to pop off. This is over in Midlothian area, right? It's going to be a 1 acre lot community. They haven't started selling yet, but if you are looking for large lots, this is going to be a really great community, right? The men there are working on the infrastructure, right? But they're going to be 1 acre lot communities. Right, notice y'all can see this direction, right? But it's rolling hills. You can see, right? This community is connected to another existing community. It backs up into another community, but it's going to be rolling hills and 1 acre lots. Right, it's a really great premium builder in North Texas. Looky there, guys. See, can you see the hills? Again, they're gonna begin pre-selling here real soon, right? Remember, I'm always trying to introduce you guys to communities as they pop off, right? Because pioneers, meaning those people that get into the community first, those are the people that will get the absolute lowest price. Notice the builder did try to leave some of the trees, so there will be some trees still remain on this in this subdivision. Right, but they're going to be 1 acre lot, right? They're going to have a variety of floor plans. You'll be able to do 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 2 stories, single stories. They'll also have the 3 car garages. Infrastructure. Again, there's going to actually be a couple of builders here, right? They're going to be custom builders, right? Builders that design it your way. Here's a cul-de-sac. There's another cul-de-sac there, so it's cool. Let me not go down there, but those gentlemen are working hard down there getting the infrastructure ready. Right, lots of prep work, guys, go behind the scenes. When builders develop new land, right, they have to follow city codes and city ordinances. Right, but they like to get the streets and the infrastructure all in. See the utility poles. But this community is projected to start out in the 500s. Again, 1 acre lots. The really great premium builders here in North Texas, custom builders. So you'll be able to design it. But again, if you are looking for a community with 1 acre lots, there are lots of communities around North Texas that boast 1 acre lots, right? There are builders that specialize in 1 acre lot community. So if you know you want a large lot, I'd love to help, right? That's what I do, is I help families meet their goals, right? Based on their budget, their family needs, their lifestyle. This is going to be a really great community. Again, it backs up to an existing community that was developed just a few years ago. So really great homes there. Here's another street. But again, guys, 1 acre lots. I'm gonna stay cool for a minute. Gotta be back where those gentlemen were. Oh, there they are. So let me turn around. They get that street in. Man, look at that lot. Wow. Look at that lot. Let's see, they're getting that infrastructure in. Hi! Hey! Do your thing! So they're getting that concrete poured out for these streets. Right, everybody got a job to do. They're happy today. Like seeing people in good vibes, good moods. Right, but again, they left a lot of the trees here so that you can have some of the natural elements of this community. Let me drive into the existing community so you can kind of see what it's going to showed y'all this community years ago. It's a really great community. These are going to be 1 acre lot communities as well. Really premium homes. Y'all ready? Like, this is what they'll look like, ranch style. I remember showing you guys this one. Isn't that groovy? Right? They painted their black home. Right, this one is nice too. This one is white with black trim. Right, so obviously the single stories will be the ones in the 500s. It'll be the smaller ones. Again, these are the projections. Right, some of these builders are not in this new community, but you'll get a feel of what a 1 acre lot community looks like. I don't want to get too wrapped up in this because I want to make sure you get realistic views. Right, but this is what a 1 acre lot community kind of looks like in terms of spacing. Again, guys, the projections are in the, it's going to be probably somewhere in the 500s, right? Prices are not out, but this builder is building, have other communities over here, and that's kind of where they are now in terms of starting prices. So they'll probably be right in there, right? And some of these 2-story ones, they'll be 7, 8s. Right, that's another builder. Right, and notice, guys, if you notice this home right here, this home is complete. Right, when you build, when you get these large homes on 1 acre lots, you often have to put in your fence later, right? 1 acre lot communities normally do not give you a fence. You have to cooperate with your neighbor and get those in later. Right, this is the new portion. It's going to be a really great neighborhood, just like we previewed. So if you're looking for a large 1 acre lot community, again, there are lots of builders in North Texas that focus on large lots. I'd love to help. That's what I do, help families meet their goals, find homes and communities that meet their lifestyles. These gentlemen are finishing up. Let me beat this car here. But this was all connected to an existing community. It's country land in the middle. So it's a couple of ways to enter this community. New community, coming soon in Midlothian. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Bye.